Today's date is 20th of July 2026. Time now is 9:12 a.m. 9:12 p.m. 9:13 p.m. I'm gonna test this video. I'm gonna test this video. Title this video. Is this recording my voice? Is this recording my voice? Yes, it is recording my voice. I'm gonna test this video. Very importantly, because I'm gonna get a video first. Let me get a video first. So most weapon malfunctions are harmless. Most weapons malfunction are harmless. This is not true. I'm gonna try to about emulation in war. Is this gonna throw malfunction? People should handle malfunction with guns, weapon malfunction, automobile malfunction, with the intention it simulates malfunction or intentionally emulates malfunction in a weapon. Because two things happens in war. The first thing is weapon does malfunction because weapon blueprints literally the first thing happens is weapons blueprints. You know, weapon gun does malfunction. Doesn't it's not designed to malfunction, but it does malfunction. It's not designed to malfunction, but it does malfunction. The weapon blueprint. So because the malfunction is a malicious function or unspecified behavior, or let's call it unrequired behavior. You have to I don't even know how to call this. Well, the kind of if I'm writing an emulator for war, I will intentionally make my guns malfunction. So in business frameworks, malfunctions are a key part of weapon handling framework. So just weapon handling for the weapon handling. I said weapon handling framework. I said weapon handling. So when it comes to weapon handle, you're dealing with this risk and in simulation of making sure malfunction. So you know in the real world how to deal with that malfunction. So that's the idea there. So we're gonna watch this video now. Water cook off. The water cooks off, and it's the water here. The running away very far. Most weapon malfunction are harmless. This is a very dangerous weapon. The mortar. Now the mortar fires in a trajectory, but if that cook off, uh, 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 if you fire the weapon while it's cooking, you know, you know, you will get this issue. This is a cook off. So this is the most dangerous weapon. Casing options, magazines, flips out. So these are room or word malfunctions basically. These are real world malfunctions. And the thing is, because if I'm building the system, even my own weapon, okay, let me just make it not warfare. Let me make it weapon design. Like, because I have my own gun I was designing, and the live enough from it. After the test, make sure that in this emulation that can so it can stop malfunction weapon. But when using weapon, it should be normal. It should be malfunctioning. Malfunctioning. See, malfunction is not needed. It's a defect. It's a defective weapon. It's not defective. When you're trying to pick up target. So this is the problem with malfunctions is that they are there and they're literally true. You know, if I didn't gun and never malfunctions, how can you prove it? It never malfunctions. That's the problem. It's like me saying dolphins and I share the same brain type, the same language development. But what's the proof? It's just in our neurons, neural capability, neurons we hold in our brain. That doesn't mean that that we have the same as intelligent as human. Dolphins and also wait, that's not true. I don't even know. I'm saying as children, as young children, younger, and it's kind of because there's no proof. So I don't believe those things are here by mammals anyway, because we're all mammals and they have the same neurological in the brain, neurologically. So most weapons malfunction are harmless. Again, not true. I mean, yes, not true. This is a wrong statement in front of into. I'm gonna say my life gonna from social media. I'm not really doing real work on it, but like I start building guns. I want to distribute guns, but it's not my interest to build guns. I want to build Luca West, Luca Rhino West. See, Casey Rockford, magazine, first five, always barely avoid disaster, casual over pressure. Always, uh, yeah, so that's it. That's what I'm saying on this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you for watching this video.